Alexander Dennis has been our partner. We started operating double-deck buses here in Las Vegas a number of years ago.
This is, in fact, not just in the United States. This is the only double-deck manufacturing facility in all of North America. Safety's not optional. Reliability is critical.
To have our ability to continue to supply this sort of really cool high-capacity bus to North America is really exciting.
To bring it to Vegas, where we are partnered with one of the largest operators of these vehicles, is a really exciting opportunity for them as the operator and us as the manufacturer.
They've been a great supporter. They've helped us introduce to many other organizations within this area.
I often say we don't make much here, except maybe dreams come true. But now I can say, and double-decker buses.
Everybody coming together to make this happen, everybody should be proud.
We feel really proud and have the responsibility of running this business today and just making sure that the next 130 years is successful.
We're really proud of our history, but we're really excited about our future.